Hello! In this video, we're going to discuss the first part of a resume, your name and contact information. We will talk about what to include and where to put this information in your resume. It probably seems very easy, but there's a specific format or order for this information in a resume. Job seekers should follow the standard format to make a professional impression from the beginning of the resume. To begin, your resume needs to clearly show your full name. This means that you write your given name first, followed by your family name. If you have a middle name, you can write it out completely or just use the first letter. For example, Sally Ann Smith could write her name two ways, Sally Ann Smith or Sally A. Smith. Most people include their first name, middle initial, and family name only. Often, job seekers will make their name a larger size or font than the rest of the words. This helps the employer or the reader to find the name very quickly. It is also common to put the name in the center at the top of the page. Another way to make the name stand out is to write it in bold letters, which are darker than the other letters. The next part is for job seekers to write their contact information, which means their current postal address, email address, and telephone number. The postal address is your official location where an employer can send you information. Your postal address is your house number, street name, city, state or province, country, and postal code or number. For example, here is Sally Smith's postal address, 100 Main Street, Los Angeles, California, 90210, USA. Your email address should be professional and contain your full name or at least a part of your name. For example, Sally Smith's email could look like this, sallysmith@email.com or smith@email.com. It is easier for a possible employer to contact you if your email address is similar to your name. For instance, flowergirl123@email.com does not appear to be professional or make it easy for the employer to remember Sally's name. For telephone number, you should include at least one number for an employer to call you for an interview. Sometimes job seekers provide a mobile number and a home telephone number. Here's an example of Sally's phone numbers. Her home phone number is 610-555-1212. Her mobile phone number is 610-232-5551. Giving more than one number makes it easier for an employer to contact you for an interview. Let's review Sally's name and contact information. If she writes her name in the top center of the page, she can put the rest of the information directly below it to look like this. In summary, we reviewed the first part of your resume, name and contact information. You now know to write your full name and include your postal address, email address, and telephone number. Next, you will watch a video about connecting employers with job seekers in today's economy. And then complete a short listening quiz.